Because commercial
Raise
real
and to
estate
this
sounds like the
channel.
kind of asset class that only matters to institutional developers who wear bespoke suits, drink $20 single originists, and use words like cap rate compression at cocktail parties. But the reality is hidden. Inside that massive discount is a ticking clock for the regional banking system. It's a symptom of a much larger structural rot. And for the first time in 2 decades, it's flashing a warning sign that could directly impact the safety sold at a loss on social media. It's the damage that number is quietly causing underneath the surface of the financial system. And that damage is starting to crater. But here's the part that's truly bizarre. Even as office vacancies hit historical highs, interest rates stay sticky and signs of credit distress bleed into the public data that everything is under control.
Thanks for watching.